The perfect country package. Hey guys, I'm super excited to present to you this extremely well-maintained farmhouse circa 1855, sitting on a gorgeous 1-acre lot with a 32 by 20 foot shop. My name is David Hildebrandt of the Wayne Skillster team from Remax Escarpment, and this is 8530 Regional Road 65, West Lincoln. Let's take a tour. Around us, we have nothing but gorgeous views of the farmer's fields. Additionally, this home boasts a detached double garage, an in-ground swimming pool, and a hot tub. Best of all, amenities are close by, as you're just a 12-minute drive into either Smithville or Binbrook. If you're interested in making this country property yours, or just finding out more information, call or text me at 905-353-5149.